Hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of ENOVIA Tips and Tricks. If you are the one who uses issue management app to raise product issues and assign it to a specific stakeholder, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you an interesting trick that will help you in attaching your issue observations on the fly while defining the issue. In this case, Sarah is reporting issue in the gear shifter assembly of the car. She has already added the context and affected items and now loading the gear shifter assembly in the Issue 3D Review app. Once this is set, she is leveraging the Take Snapshot option to create review annotations and attach it to the issue on the fly. She is using the powerful set of commands to add annotations and document her review observations. Using the text, she can briefly explain the issue on top of existing annotations. After saving this, the document is automatically attached to the opened issue. Furthermore, she is taking another snapshot to explain issue she observed with the gear shifter cover. With the help of arrow, text annotations, and different set of colors, she has captured her second observations. After saving, this snapshot is also attached automatically to the issue. Second snapshot is the most important one, and that's the reason she is now setting it up as an issue thumbnail. Once all is set, she can then assign the issue to responsible stakeholder who can then trace all the details and fix the issue. With this, Scott can easily access all the issue details and also view the observations attached in the issue. Furthermore, he can preview this attachment in the 3D Play app to get more insights of the problem. This provides complete clarity of the issue, using which he can then begin issue resolution. I really hope this tip was useful. If you have questions, connect with us in the ENOVIA users community. Thank you.